So I have this solenoid that came off the 100 horsepower 4-stroke. Thought it was bad. It's real simple to test. Basically, I got a battery down here. So you just connect the hot side to here, right? And so this doesn't have two other terminals. It's got a ground and then it's got this. So you just connect basically your battery negative to this guy right here, right? And then I'm gonna connect it hopefully to my battery. So anyway, and then this is your, your signal wire. All right, this cable's not. It's not good. It's not really long enough for this one anyway. I got another cable, so I hook it to ground, like it's sending a signal. So that one's working. So we know it was good this way, but if we tested our theory, it's not gonna work the other way. It does. So it's a two-way, so it's gonna work either way. Some solenoids, they won't work in the other direction. This is actually a fuse holder for an extra fuse. Sorry. But yeah, this side we got signal, this side we got signal. Okay, so it's making it through the fuse. So then this is what's back to the motor. So you get power back to your motor. So see, so I got signal there. So I know this is good and I know the solenoid is good. So just kind of tracing down the starter circuit, because he wasn't wanting to, this wasn't working. So I'm gonna look at my battery cables next, because they seem like they were pretty corroded, and I also want to maybe just check my connections here to make sure they're tight, so whenever I do put power back onto it, that it'll pass. So this will be your output side, this is your input side, and just thinking about that, I can actually test that theory, see if it's a two-way or if it's only one way. So we know it was good this way, but if we tested our theory, it's not gonna work the other way. It does. So it's a two-way, so it's gonna work either way. Some solenoids, they won't work in the other direction.